So this week I've been able to make some serious progress on this motor. It's still Saturday and I'm not finished yet for the day, but before I did more I wanted to just show what I got here. So I've got 3 upper lawnmower engines on there, and they're all chained up. The only thing I don't have is a key in the sprockets yet, so they're not lined up, but this is just test purposes anyways. But so anyway, when I spin the shaft here, all 3 motors turn together, and kind of a funky motor mount there. This one is steel angle. It gets 2 of the bolts. Maybe I showed this before, I don't remember, but it's proved to be a chore. This one here, because of the flywheel clearance in here, this is just a flywheel mock-up here, but depending which one I go with, I need at least an inch bigger than this, plus some room forward, so I got fancy there and welded it up. But so what I got going on here is I'm gonna bolt. I got some 3/8 inch UHMW plastic. I'm gonna bolt a strip on each side so that the chain can move, but it can't hit the steel. It'll have a slider plate, and that'll take up clearance also, in effect making the chain tighter. But unfortunately each one of them turned out different. So these upper ones are royal pain. It all started out with this first one here being behind the bearing, and the rest of them in front of the bearing. That just had to do with the overhang of the shaft here. It's unsupported at this end, so it could tend to bend a lot easier than in between two bearings. But anyways, I got them all hooked up there, and along with that I had to use one of the stub shaft engines here, the vertical pull type, or just cut a crankshaft off. Haven't got the starter cover on it, but it's short to give me room here. As you see on this normal spaced one here, you have a lot more clearance. And of course that'll change on the other side, the intake manifold centers, but a person can only do so much. Have to make things work. Yeah, you see these 2 are a lot closer together than these 2, but it'll still work. So next, I've got one of the bottom row motor mounts set up there, so I'll have to cut another HSS and put it in there, 2 of them, and I got the angles already cut and drilled and all that, so then I can have 6 lawnmower engines mounted on this side. So that side would be complete in effect. And the other side, of course, all the base mounts are done for it. So basically it would be time to move on to intake manifolds next. So things are actually progressing along quite well in comparison with the previous 2 months. Some of that was the fact that I didn't have all the sprockets in. So got them in now, and able to move ahead, which is good. I didn't like how it was kind of stalled there for a while, but there's still lots more to do, so I'll keep along at it. Like I say, I'm not done for the day, and I still have some work to do it tomorrow, so there'll be another little bit on this video yet. So I didn't get as much done today as I planned on. Could be due to this stuff falling from the sky here. Well, the sun was shining, but now it's starting to look black again that direction. So fortunately my engine's been tarped over. I just uncovered it, and it rained enough that it filled this right to the top. Now it's starting to rain again, so looks like I'll be working indoors. So in spite of the rain today, I did manage to get some more done. Got so I got 5 of the 6 mounts for the bottom, or for all the lawnmower engines. See, I got 4 of them mounted. There's a mount at the front. I just have to do that one at the back. So that won't take me long. So then hopefully the motor mounts will basically be done. So definitely made some significant progress this week.